Hello. Hi. My topic is array structures, CS 1219766, CSA and 136. The topics present in this slideshow are what is array processor, types of array processor, usage of array processor, applications of array processors. What is an array processor? Array processor, a computer processor that has an architecture especially designed for processing arrays of numbers. The architecture includes a number of processes, say 64 by 64, working simultaneously, each handling one element of the array so that a single operation can apply to all elements of the array in parallel. To obtain the same effect in a conventional processor, the operation must be applied to each element of the array sequentially, and so consequentially much more slowly. An array processor may be built as a self-contained unit attached to a main computer via an I/O port or internal bus. Alternatively, it may be disturbed array processor, where the processing elements are distributed throughout and closely linked to a section of computer's memory. A processor that performs computations on vast array of data is known as an array processor. Multiprocessors and vector processors are other terms for array processors. It only executes one instruction at a time on an array of data. They work with massive data. They work, they work with massive data set to perform computations. Hence, they are used to enhance the computer performance. Array processor performs a single instruction single instruction in a multiple execution units in the same clock cycle. The different execution units has same instruction using same set of vectors in the array. Use of parallel execution units for processing different vectors of the array. Use of memory interleaving n memory address registers and n memory data registers in case of K pipelines and use of vector register files. Okay. Type of array processor. Array processors can be divided into two categories. Attached array processors, SIMD, single instruction stream, multiple data stream. Array processors, we will go through the explained detail in the sections below. Attached array processor. The attached array processor is the auxiliary processor connected to a general purpose computer to enhance and improve the machine's performance in the numerical computational task. It provides excellent performance by using numerous concept units in parallel processing. The attached array processor includes a common processor with an input by output interface and the local memory interface. The main memory and the local memory are linked. Array processors are of two types: attached array processor (SIMD) array processor. The memory, the main memory and the local memory are linked. General purpose computer goes to input by output interface and goes to attached array processor, and the attached array processor is linked with local memory, and general purpose computer is linked with main memory. These two will go in the order high speed memory to memory bus. The interconnection of the attached array processor to the host computer is shown in the picture below. The attached array processor intends to improve the performance of the host computer in specific numeric computations. The attached array processor has an input-output interface to a common processor and another interface with a local memory. The local memory interconnects main memory. Here you can see the general purpose computer connected to input-output interface, which is connected to allied array processor. This array processor goes to local memory, and this general purpose computer goes to main memory. And these two are connected by high speed memory to memory bus. This is the interconnection of an attached array processor to a host computer. Here, local memory interconnects main memory. Host computer is general purpose computer. Attached processor is backend backend machine driven by the host computer. The array processor is connected through an IBIO controller to the computer, and the computer treats it as an external interface, right? External interface. The next one is the SMID array processor. The SMID refers to the organization of a single computer with multiple parallel processors. Means multiple parallel processors. The processing units are designed to work together under the supervision of a single control unit, resulting in a single instruction stream and multiple data streams. An array processor general block is given below. It comprises several identical processing elements (PEs), each with its local memory. MANALU and registers are included in processor element. The master control unit controls the processing element's actions. It also decodes instructions and determines how they should be carried out. The program is stored in the main memory. The control unit retrieves the instructions. Vector instructions are sent to all PLPs simultaneously, and the results are stored in memory. Here is a memory control unit goes to PE1, and that is connected to M1, and it is connected to PE2, that is connected to M2, and that is connected to PEN, that is connected to PN. These are connected with the master control unit and main memory. This is the array processor organization in SIMD. The ILLIAC fourth computer manufactured by the corporation is the most well known as SIMD array processor. Single instruction multiple data SIMD processors are highly specialized computers. They are only good for numerical issues that can be stated as vectors or matrices. They are not suitable for other kind of computation. The SMID is a computer with multiple processing units operating in parallel. The processing units are synchronized to perform the same same operation under the control of the common control unit, thus providing a single instruction stream, multiple data stream SIMD organization. As shown in the figure, SIMD contains a set of identical processing elements PEs, each having a local memory M. Each PE includes a LU, floating point arithmetic unit, working registers. Master control unit controls the operation in the PEs. The function of master control unit is to record the instruction and determine how the instruction to be executed. If the instruction is scalar or program control instruction, then it is directly executed with the master control unit. The main memory is used for storage of program, while each PE used operand stored in the local memory. This is the master control unit, and this is PE P1, PE2 M2, PE1 M1, that is connected to main memory. Configurations of SIMD. Array processors that used in RAM, random access memory, are called as dedicated memory organization. ILLIAC for CM2 MP1 associative processor that uses content accessible memory is known as global memory organization BSP, and the usage of array processors. Array processors enhance the total speed of instruction processing. Most array processors design optimizes its performance for repetitive arithmetic operations, make it faster at vector arithmetic than the host CPU. Since most array processors run asynchronously from the host CPU, the system overall capacity is thus improved. Array processors have their own local memory, providing additional extra memory to systems with limited memory. This is an essential consideration for the systems with a limited physical memory or address space. Applications of array processors. Array processors is used at various places including radar systems, sonar systems, anti-jamming, seismic exploration, wireless communication, medical applications used for speech enhancement, used in astronomy applications. Array processors are extremely useful for dealing with the problem that require a lot of parallelisms. However, they do require a change in programming methodology. Converting conventional sequential programs to support array processors is complex and different algorithms may be needed to attach the parallel approach. The end. Thank you.